33, and in this video we are doing the lesson a spaceship landed over there. I have explained the poem. Now I will be discussing question and answer. Answer the questions with reference to the context. My friend the vet was diagnosed, perhaps I guess by smell. Some gizmo stashed him in a cage which did not fit him well. Who does him refer to in these lines? Who is him in the first line? So the answer is him refers to the vet. Vet was the poet's friend. Him refers to the vet. What did he smell of and why? He must have smelt of animals because he was a vet and it was his job to treat animals the whole day. Okay, so it may be that why he was smelling, you can write he must have smelt of animals because he was a vet and it was his job to treat animals the whole day. Who was the cage actually meant for? According to me, I think the cage was meant for animals. The answer will be the cage was meant for animals. Answer these questions briefly. What did the poet and his friends search for inside the spaceship? Whom they were searching inside the spaceship? The poet and his friend. The poet and his friends searched for the little men, or you can say pilot, inside the spaceship. The poet and his friends searched for the little men or pilot inside the spaceship. What happened the moment the poet sat in the pilot's seat? What happened? The moment the poet sat in the pilot's seat, a voice said, "Early Earth man," and a glass dome dropped around him. The moment the poet sat in the pilot's seat, a voice said, "Early Earth man," and a glass dome dropped around him. So as he went inside the spaceship and he sat on the pilot seat, what happened? He heard a voice. Someone was calling him as early Earth man, and finally the gate of the spaceship, the glass gate, was closed. The poet, this one, number 3rd. What do you mean were the poet's feeling when a glass dome dropped around him? What calmed him later? So you know that as soon as the glass dome dropped down, the poet was very scared because now he was locked up in the spaceship. So he was very scared. But what calmed him later? Later on he heard a hissing sound, high-pitched hissing sound, and that sound calmed him later. So you can write, the poet must have been nervous and scared when a glass dome dropped around him, okay, and a high-pitched hissing sound calmed him later. What calmed him? A high-pitched hissing sound calmed him later. Question number 4. Where was the poet's friend and the vet stashed? Mention the line that has the clue. The poet's friend, a vet, was strapped in a cage by a gizmo. Gizmo is a kind of device. So he was strapped in a cage by a gizmo. The line that identifies this is, some gizmo stashed him in a cage. So the answer, see the line from the poem, you have to see the line is this one. Some gizmo stashed him in a cage. So this is the line, and the answer will be, the poet's friend, a vet, was trapped in a cage by a gizmo. And then you will write down that line what I have shown you. What is question number 5? Identify lines from the poem that suggest that the spaceship was automatically controlled. What are the lines in the poem that tells you that the spaceship was automatically controlled? You can say that when they went inside the spaceship, they cannot find any pilot. Okay, this is the first hint. So, and as soon as they got inside the spaceship, what happened? The door closed. A glass dome dropped around, but they couldn't see anyone. Then they were searching. We searched and searched inside. Okay, so I will tell you the lines. What are the lines that tells us that it was being operated automatically? See this one, this line. You can underline this line. We couldn't find the little men. This is the first line. We couldn't find the little men. Then the second line, which tells you that it was automatically operated. A glass dome dropped around. Okay. Third, you can say, third line is we searched and searched inside. This line. Second stanza, we searched and searched inside. Okay. Then see this line. Fourth stanza, some gizmo stashed him in a cage. Okay. Then this one, words flashing on a screen. Okay. And then this one, words flashing on a screen, and then this, I smiled as I selected yes. So these lines tell us that the spaceship was being operated automatically. Okay. So this is, the lesson is now over, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.